Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into Microsoft's world of free courses for 2024. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a student, or just someone looking to upskill, free courses are an awesome opportunity. Microsoft's been a household name for decades, known for its operating systems like Windows and their cloud platform Azure. But beyond that, they're heavily invested in empowerment through learning. So, let's get right into it and see what they have to offer. First up, we're kicking it off with the basics. Write your first code using C#. C# is a powerful language for a wide range of applications. You'll write your first lines of code and learn the syntax. Coding challenges will test your newfound knowledge. This course is your gateway to understanding the magic of coding. Next up, we're moving into the cloud, specifically Microsoft's cloud platform, Azure. Microsoft Azure Fundamentals is your crash course on cloud computing. This series breaks it down in a way that's easy to understand. You'll learn about Azure's core services like computing power, storage, and networking, and how they all come together. For those eyeing the AZ900 exam, consider this your prep course. Level up your tech knowledge with this no-brainer series. Alright data enthusiasts, this one's for you. Microsoft Data Analytics dives into the world of data. This course equips you to turn raw data into insights. Dive into Power BI, Microsoft's data visualization tool. Make smarter decisions in any field with this course. Let's talk artificial intelligence, or AI for short. Microsoft Azure AI Fundamentals is your entry point into this rapidly evolving field. This course demystifies AI, breaking down the basics and showing you how it's being applied in the real world. Whether you're a developer, a business professional, or just curious about AI's potential, this course will give you a solid understanding of what it is and how you can be a part of this exciting revolution. If you're serious about software development, version control with Git is non-negotiable. It's like a time machine for your code, tracking changes and collaborating seamlessly. Git is powerful and widely used. This course teaches you the ropes. Mastering Git will level up your workflow and save you headaches. Let's get visual. Dive into computer vision with Azure AI Vision, extracting insights from images. Learn to analyze images, detect objects, recognize faces, and extract text. Build apps that read business cards and add contacts automatically. Perfect for developers adding image-based intelligence to applications. Who doesn't love automation? Take repetitive tasks off your plate using Power Automate. Learn to create workflows for email reminders and file management. Imagine having expense reports generated monthly. This course will help you build, manage, and troubleshoot workflows. Ready to build the web apps of your dreams? Develop an ASP.NET Core Web. App is your guide to creating dynamic and interactive web experiences. ASP.NET Core is a powerful framework, and this course will show you how to wield its power. You'll dive into APIs, which are like messengers that allow different software systems to talk to each other. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills to build web apps that are not only functional, but also scalable and efficient. Time to level up your AI game. Develop solutions with Azure. AI takes you deeper into the world of artificial intelligence, focusing on practical applications. This learning path is all about building real-world solutions using Azure AI services. Imagine automating invoice processing or extracting key information from contracts. That's the kind of power you'll have at your fingertips. This course is perfect for those who want to leverage AI to solve real-world business problems and streamline their operations. Last but not least, we have Get Started with Power BI, your gateway to the world of data visualization. Power BI makes it easy to connect to various data sources, transform that data, and create interactive reports and dashboards that tell a story. This course will teach you the ins and outs of Power BI, from connecting to data sources to creating stunning visualizations that help you uncover insights and make data-driven decisions. So, there you have it. 10 incredible free courses from Microsoft that can help you unlock new skills and advance your career in 2024. It's like having a whole library of knowledge at your fingertips, and the best part is, it's completely free. Head over to the description below for all the course links and start learning today. Thanks for watching. Please like, Share and subscribe for more such content.